today on this wonderful Saturday morning. Maudie here with MU Can Garden. What we're doing today is changing a few things in my flower bed area, getting ready for the fall. So I have 3 hydrangea plants here, and honestly, they don't really do a whole lot, and I haven't been pleased with them despite everything I have tried for them. So I'm actually going to be digging them out today and replacing them with these. If you want to follow me this way here. So I'm going to dig out the hydrangeas and I'm going to replant these into those spots. These are, what do they call these? Dracaenaceae? I can't pronounce that properly. Let me know if you know how to properly pronounce it. But I've loved these. I've had these in these planters for many seasons already. And they started out as tiny little things and they've really grown. My best guess is these are completely root bound. Like I said, they've been in these planters for quite some time. But I want to take these out. These actually do flower and they have white flowers. Unfortunately, being in a potted planter here, they're not going to do that. But I just want to add this splash of color along the fence line there. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So hang with me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe, hit the like, and for all of you that have subscribed and hit the like from yesterday's video and videos past, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate that. So grab your gloves, grab your boots, let's get started. So got this bad boy out. We're gonna go down the line and get all the other ones here. It's taking just a little extra muscle here, so I had to incorporate the husband to help with a little extra help there. This came right out. And then we're gonna get these all ready to swap out with the other plants here. So we're just gonna kind of go down the line here. So as my suspicions were correct, you can see how root bound this is. And for those creepy crawly, there's a spider in here with the ginormous egg sac thing there. So I need to find my bug zapper and get rid of that. Otherwise, this has another portion here and it's grown right over it. This helps separate the roots from the base of the planter to allow for water drainage. It's just grown right through that. So we're gonna get this separated and then we'll take this over to get it planted. All right. Okay, so I'm at my planting site. I did add about a handful of some bone meal and then I'm just tossing in some compost here. Again, to get these roots off to a nice start, adding some nutrition back into the plants, so it can be nice and vigorous. So I'll just add this, mix this all in here really good, and then we'll get this guy planted here. Okay, we have everything in the ground. I did prune up with my pruners, just snipping off any dead or dried looking kind of yellowy leaves up off the bottom. And then now all we have to do is just give everything a really good watering in, and then that's going to be it. It'll start to do its thing and get ready to flourish and be beautiful in the spring and next summer. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. And just remember, even though we're away from our spring and summer, fall is also a great time to get prepared for that spring season, doing any fall planting. If you're growing, if you have bulbs, fall is a great time to also start planting your bulbs in preparation for the spring. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. Please hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.